After being trapped for hours in the freezing cold, help finally arrived. Families had travelled to the popular mountain resort near the capital Islamabad to play in the snow. As news of the heavy falls spread, more than 100,000 cars rushed to the area. Many of them ended up stuck in a blizzard as over a metre of snow fell during the night. Some froze to death and others are believed to have been poisoned by exhaust fumes, trying to keep warm.
Trees fell on the cars and caused a lot of deaths. I just got back from the area and rescuers are now getting in, but the traffic jams are bad.
A policeman and 8 members of his family were among those who died in their cars. 5 platoons of Pakistan's army have been sent in to help. Heavy equipment brought in to clear the area initially got stuck, but later managed to start rescuing people.
Overnight, around 1,000 vehicles were cleared from here. Now 80 to 90% of the road is clear. We stopped people who are on foot and we stopped traffic, which is arriving.
People have been ordered to stay away and all visits to the area banned. Friends and relatives mourned as the bodies of the policeman's family were brought back to their home in Islamabad.
I still can't believe it. Even after I heard about this tragic incident, the whole country is grieving along with the family.
More than 1 million people visit the resort every year. The Prime Minister has vowed to put in new regulations to prevent a disaster like this from happening again. James Oaten, ABC News.